This tutorial is on how to automatically generate rules and paths using visual text, and every NLP++ programmer should know this. This is very, very handy. We're going to be using our infamous markdown resume, and we're going to automatically generate a date range rule. Now, the way NLP++ does this, it has to generate a text tree for all the passes where it can generate a text tree. And that's how it automatically generates the rule in the paths. So we need to do that first, is to run it. But we also have to decide whether we're going to use an existing pass or a new pass. In this case, I'm just going to make a new pass called date range. There we go. And there it is, and it generates this stub. We're going to run it so we can generate the trees, and we're going to click on the date range and then its highlight match rules icon. Now we're going to come here and we're going to highlight this first date range. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to say generate rule general. That's a general rule. So if it's a number, it's going to be just any number. If it's an alphanumeric, any number. So I'm going to use that as kind of a template. You see that it generates number, alpha number. I didn't have to type in all that stuff. It's very tedious. It's a really great, start a rule automatically. We're going to call this a date range. Okay, date range. I'm going to change this alpha because it's over generated. So it's number 2 number. I'm going to make it look nice. So there we go. And we're going to run it again and see if this matches. And the way we can see if it matches is to click on the highlight matched rules, and nothing is there. Well, the reason is this is buried down in the tree, and this is why we have a second function, automatic path generation. So I go down and I find 2019. There it is. And the way I need to do is I get it through. Tell the rule path, if I come over here and look at this rule, I need to make that path all the way down to here, but that's really tedious. So there's another handy function. So if I click on its parent node, and then I say generate path, it then goes and puts this entire path into the rule file that I'm working with, and then it should then work. So I'm going to take a look at this. We're going to run it again. We're going to then highlight and see if we highlight it, and there we go. We highlighted, we've gotten these three ranges parsed. But you notice we have something here different. Well, that's just a matter of going in and changing it. The way I would do it in this case would be to put an X wild, a wild card there that says match either a number or, in this case, the word present. Make that look nice again. Reformat the rule. We'll run it again. We'll take a look at the highlight, and there we go. So that's how we automatically generated or started to generate a rule. Makes it much faster to generate rules. Put that path in that can be quite tedious, and that's handy. Everybody should know this.